Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add bullets in Excel. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. First, open an Excel sheet. So here you can see I have added some bullet points, some bullets, but if I click on this range and write something, as you can see they are not added. But if I write here, let's say in here, you can see the bullets are appeared. So what we would do is just select a range in where we want our bullets to be appeared. Let's say this is the range, and right click, go to format cells option and go to this custom option, remove the general, and now press your Windows key and full stop all together in your keyboard. And here you can see there is some emojis are appeared. So go to this sign and just search for some bullets. Go to this, and here you can see there's some symbols which is called symbol. Come to this option, and here you can see there is a bullet point. Click on it, and as you can see it's appeared here. So close it, give an space, and press Control at the rate or Shift at the rate, okay, and then click on OK. Here, if you write something in this range, the bullet points will be appeared. So let's write something. As you can see, if I go down and write something in this range, then they will be added in bullet points. So this is how the bullet point trick is used. So there might be various options, but this is the most easy peasy way which you can apply for your Excel. So hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment and share this video. Subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon to get more useful videos like this. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye bye.